Welcome back to Kantan Food by Satoshi. Last time I showed how to eat udon noodles. Today is a dish, udon dishes. I will make 3 types of udon dishes. Kitsune Udon, which means deep fried tofu pouchi, Niku Udon, which means meat udon, and Curry Udon. So these dishes are really easy to make. So let's get started. So today's udon is based on kake udon. If you watched my last video, I showed how to make kake udon. Please watch that video to make the soup and udon noodles. Udon noodles, I didn't make udon noodles, but I cooked udon noodles. Today's one is just topping. Kitsune means deep fried tofu pouchi. This is deep fried tofu pouchi. This one a little bit big. It doesn't fit for my udon bowl, so I will cut it into half first. So just cut into half like this. Okay, I cannot cook these deep fried tofu pouchi as it is because when they make this deep fried tofu pouchi, they deep fry. Yes, of course. So this one contains oil. Before cooking, I have to remove excess oil. To remove excess oil, put this deep fried tofu pouchi into boiling water and simmer about 2 minutes. Okay, about 2 minutes passed. So look, becoming puff. Looks nice. Okay, turn off the heat and make it cold. And take it to colander and leave as it is to release the excess water. If you don't have time, you can squeeze it. But I want to keep this fluffiness, so I don't squeeze. Let's season this deep fried tofu pouchi. In a pot, put 100 ml of water, half teaspoon of instant dashi powder, half tablespoon of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. And dissolve it. Okay, here put deep fried tofu pouchi like this. Okay, then turn on the heat and simmer about 10 to 15 minutes. Once after boiled, please reduce the heat to low. So it is boiling, reduce the heat to low. Make sure to flip it over about 7 minutes later. You want to season both sides evenly. About 12 minutes passed, so turn off the heat and take them out. Looks nice. Very appetizing. So here is udon noodles and pour udon soup on top. One bowl, about 300 milliliter of soup, like this. Okay, then place this beautiful deep fried tofu pouchi, kitsune. Nice. And put green onion a little bit. It makes very beautiful. So this is kitsune udon. So the next udon dish is Niku Udon. It's meat udon. There is beautiful grilled or simmered meat on top. I love that. It's really simple to make. First, I cut onion. I use half of onion slice. No fuss, no muss. I love cooking onion. Yeah, it has a very good flavor. I think many of you guys like onion. Okay, then set aside. And the next ingredient is ginger. So you don't need so much. Just like this. I like to use this skin. This ginger skin has a very good aroma. Slice this one. Like this. Okay, so on the frying pan, pour a little bit oil. Put ginger. Cook a little bit until the ginger aroma comes. I love ginger and garlic, not only onion. Okay, ginger aroma came to my nose. Then put onion and stir fry until it becomes translucent. Onion aroma and ginger aroma, so good. This onion cooking makes me very happy. always I feel so good when I cook onion and ginger becoming lightly brown and translucent. I will simmer later a little bit. So this is enough. Turn off the heat and once transferred to a plate and place this frying pan, same frying pan, and put beef meat. It's 200 grams of thinly sliced beef meat. Beef meat is very good for udon noodles. Of course, you can use pork meat too, but for Niku Udon, I prefer beef meat. Beef meat is expensive here in Japan, so I can't cook so often, but when I eat Niku Udon, meat udon, I like to choose beef. Then cook until the meat becomes no more pink. Return the onion and combine beef and onion combination. Such a fabulous combination. Okay, then let's season. Once turn off the heat. Here, 2 tablespoons of sake, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of mirin, and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And combine and turn off the heat. Turn on the heat. So this beef meat is sweet. The sweet beef and this soy sauce taste is very good for udon simmering. For Niku Udon, there are variations. Each restaurant has different recipe. Some restaurants just simmer this beef meat. Some restaurants grill it, stir fry like this. Some restaurant doesn't use this onion. There are variations. I'm cooking my favorite way. Simmer and season this beef meat on low heat, about 2 minutes. Looks so nice, isn't it? I love this aroma. Combination of beef, onion, ginger, and soy sauce. You already know this Niku Udon is really good. Okay, so turn off the heat. Here is udon noodles. Pour soup on top. I already mentioned the soup amount is about 300 milliliters. Then here I put the beef meat I cooked like this. Beautiful. So today's beef meat is for 2 bowls. So I place half of this beef meat. Now your beef udon, Niku Udon is ready. So last dish is Curry Udon. You love curry? I love curry too. This is one of my favorite udon dishes. It's also really easy. So before cooking, here is one preparation. This is 2 tablespoons of potato starch. Here is 2 tablespoons of water and combine well. So the curry udon soup is a little bit thick because they use potato starch. It makes the soup thicker. So combine, but do not put potato starch as it is into the soup. First, you have to dissolve in water. So the curry udon curry is different from regular curry we eat here in Japan. So we use this negi, the green onion. It gives a very good flavor. So today I use half of this green onion, but I use white part and green part both. So I use about this half of this green onion. Slice this green onion like this. Sometimes green part, some people waste it, but I always use this green part. And for this curry udon, this green part is a very nice accent, flavor-wise and color-wise. So this is important part. Then set aside. And this is curry. So in curry soup, you need meat. I use 100 grams of thinly sliced pork belly. I cut into bite-sized pieces like this. Okay, so separate carefully. Okay, here is pot. Pour a little bit oil. I will stir fry the pork belly meat. Turn on the heat. So after the oil become hot, put pork belly inside. Also the green onion. Dump and stir fry pork meat and this green onion is a very good friends. So cook until the pork belly meat normal pink or the green onion aroma and the pork aroma combined. It comes to my nose. It's really good. I want to eat as it is, but I like curry too. Curry udon, one of my favorite udon dishes. Okay, once turn off the heat, and here 1 tablespoon of curry powder. This is not salted. Salt is inside of the udon soup. I will pour later. So this is just curry powder. Combine well. Okay, then pour 600 milliliter of udon soup, which I made in the previous video, and turn on the heat and bring to a boil. Now it is boiling, so take the scum out. I want to make it beautiful, so take the scum out. Looks beautiful, isn't it? Okay, and once turn off the heat, and here I will pour the potato starch slurry, but make sure the potato starch become harder inside of this water. So please mix before you pour. Okay, pour inside like this. Turn on the heat again and mix the stir about 1 minute until this soup becomes thick. Looks nice. It becomes thick. So this is a curry soup of curry udon. So here is udon noodles. So I pour the curry soup. Looks nice. I love curry udon. Especially I ate in Kyoto. The Kyoto curry, the curry udon is really nice. The flavor is very dashi taste. That's really good. If you have a chance to go to Kyoto, I recommend to eat curry udon there. Put green onion on top as a garnish. So your beautiful curry udon is ready. Okay, time to eat my 3 bowls of udon noodles. First one is this Kitsune deep fried tofu pouch on top. First, I bite this one. I want to let this tofu pouch soak this dashi. It's fluffy and it's sweet. I put sugar, so this tofu pouch is sweet. That's good. It's a contrast with this savory soup. Nice. Udon noodles. Nice chewiness. Niku Udon. It's beautiful. This beef meat is. Beef meat. I can eat this forever. I love Niku Udon. The combination of this onion and beef umami. And soy sauce, dashi, umami. So good. And ginger gives a good accent. And curry udon. I love curry udon. First, I want to sip the soup. Dashi and curry combination is really good combination. This soup is thick, so it comes with these noodles very nicely. Love curry udon. So this time I introduced 3 types of udon noodle dishes. Next time I will show you the soupless udon noodles. So hope you guys enjoyed today's udon noodles. I want you to try these udon noodles. I guarantee you will fall in love. So see you in the next one. Bye bye. Thank you so much. ありがとうございました。